Now I want to make a very strong statement here. I will stop teaching SQL Server if you come across any SQL Server interview where you were not asked question around writing SQLs, writing complex SQLs. And specifically questions around joins. Joins are the most sorted one. And if you're not able to answer questions on SQL writing, or like inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, and cross join, your SQL Server interview is not going to be successful. So let us quickly go and revise what exactly is the inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, and cross join. I also want to make a very strong statement out here, specifically for people who are like freshers or 1 or 2 years of experience, right? Even for seniors, I would suggest this is very much valid. Many times, the interviewer will tell you to write SQL, and your basic structure of SQL should not go wrong. Sometimes think about it. You are told to write inner join and you don't know how to write it. It will send a message to the interviewer that you do not know SQL writing, and your interview is not continuing ahead. It sends a very bad message that you are not able to write SQL, right? So first thing, let us go and get started with inner join. What exactly is an inner join? Inner join selects matching records from both the tables. Look at my answer, straightforward to the point. When you make an inner join between two tables, it will select the matching records. For example, you can see here, there is this TBL customer, and this TBL customer is having a reference of country ID from the MST country table, right? So if you want to go and select matching records, then we will say here, select star from TBL customer. Now look at this. You can see that how, I am hands-on in SQL writing. So here, you need to be a little bit careful that you don't make silly mistakes, right? So inner join on inner join MST country on TBL customer dot country ID and match it with MST country dot country ID. And I will say that I want to select only the name of the customer, right? The first name from here, right? So I would like to go and select the first name, and from here I would like to go and select the country code, right? Country code. So let me execute this. So if you see here, if you see the output, right, it has only selected Raju and Raja because the test and ABC have nulls as a reference. So only the matching records. So Raju is having country ID, which is mapping, so matching. So he has pulled up IND, he has pulled up NPL, but he has not pulled up other countries, which is USA or UK, right? So basically, when you say that you want to go and select only matching records, then you will use a inner join. Now let's talk about left join. So in case of left join, so the same statement, I will just make it left out here. When I say left join means left table. If you see at this moment, wherever I am sitting, right from there, this is the left table and this is the right table. This is the left table. This is the right table. I am looking from the side of the laptop, from the computer. This is the left table towards the monitor. This is the left table and this is the right table, right? So when you say a left join, all the records from the TBL customer will be selected, from the left table will be selected, and only the matching records from the MST country will be selected. So if MST country has any kind of unmatching records, those won't be selected. So if you see here, if I execute this, you can see that this MST country also has some, so let me do a select star from MST country. So if you see here, this MST country also has USA and UK. So for USA and UK, we do not have any matching entries. So you can see here what he has done. He has only selected NPL and IND. But the test and ABC, if you remember, do not have any matching records, still they are selected. So all the records from the left table will be selected and only matching records from the right table. And when you say right join, that means from the right table, all the records will be selected and from the left table only matching one. So you can see here, now only Raja and Raju is seen out here, but from the country table, even things which are unmatching is also selected. Then we have the full outer join. In case of a full outer join, if you look at the output of full outer join, all the matching, unmatching records from the left table and all the unmatching and matching records from the right table, both of them are selected. For example, you can see Raju, it is matching with NPL. So yes, Raju has a country code of IND. But for test and ABC, there is nothing. He has given out null here. For USA and UK, there is nothing. So the first name is null. So when you say full outer join, all matching, unmatching records of both the tables are selected. And then we come finally to cross join. Cross join is nothing but a Cartesian product, right? So when you do a cross join, you cannot use the on clause, because cross join means every record of the customer table will be mapped to the MST country. So every record will be Cartesian or multiplied with the MST country. So here, if you try to use an on clause, you can see it is saying incorrect syntax, because in cross join we will not have a criteria as such. There is no matching criteria. It is just a Cartesian product. So you can see here, Raju, he has made an entry with IND. Raja, he has again said IND, test IND. Raju with NPL, Raju with USA, Raju with UK. So every record of the customer table is joined with every record of MST underscore country. So this is called as the Cartesian product. So very quickly wrapping up, inner joins, only matching records. Left join, all the records from the left table and only matching records from the right table. Right join, opposite of left join, from the right table, all the matching, all the records, and from left table, only matching. Full outer join, matching and unmatching records from both the tables. And finally, cross join, it is a Cartesian product which takes every record of the left table and multiplies it with the right table.